MetaMask की जो parent company वो Consensus.
I'm not sure if you've heard of it, but MetaMask Snaps also introduced Linea recently, which is
Powered by देसी क्रिप्टो. नमस्कार दोस्तों, क्रिप्टो वाले भाई के इस चैनल में स्वागत है आपका. और आज हमारी टीम आ गई है IIT, और ये जिस वजह से इवेंट हो पा रहा है उसके अंदर है सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट जो रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं वो है मेटामास्क की पेरेंट कंपनी कंसेसिस. और आज हमारे को उन्हीं की टीम मेंबर से हमारे सामने एक शख्स मौजूद है, मैं कहूँगा. सबसे पहले आप अपना नाम बताइए.
मनबीर सिंह.
ओके. आपने अपनी कब ब्लॉकचेन की जर्नी, क्रिप्टो की जर्नी स्टार्ट करी, अब इस बारे में कुछ बताइए.
मेरी क्रिप्टो जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई थी सम टाइम टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ 2020. इज इट ऑल हिंदी और इंग्लिश? इंग्लिश इज़ फाइन, राइट? ओके. So yeah, I started towards the end of 2020 or beginning of 2021 itself. So it's been 2.5 to 3 years now. And I started mostly through communities itself. I started creating content for communities, beginner level content like what's blockchain, what's Ethereum, how people can get started with MetaMask. Some people at MetaMask from the marketing team really like those blogs and articles and the rest of the content that I created, and onboarded me as an ambassador, as a consensus ambassador.
Sorry to interrupt you. What's your background? Like, how did you what's the main center of interest of your, and what's about your background? And also, are you a professional as of now, or studying right now?
Sure. So I have a technical background. I'm an engineering graduate. I graduated in information technology engineering in 2020, and at the moment I'm pursuing masters in business from Golden Gate University, San Francisco. That's a remote program itself. So, but yeah, alongside my full-time job at Consensus. But yeah, that's a little about my background. But I started with communities at that point when I was in college itself, during my undergraduation. So it's been over 5 years, probably close to 7 years if I'm not wrong, since I've been involved with technical communities, and I've been more on the DevRel side of things, creating content as well, once in a while, but mostly on the community management side.
Okay. So what about Consensus? मतलब यहाँ पे जर्नी कब से स्टार्ट हुई?
So I started with Consensus about 2 years back as an ambassador, more than 2 years back actually. And yeah, as an ambassador I used to contribute in terms of blogs and articles, mostly on MetaMask itself and the dApps that you can use with MetaMask itself. And that got a lot of traction. A lot of people really liked that. People at Consensus as well, within MetaMask as well, really liked that. They onboarded me as an ambassador. I worked for 5 or 6 months probably, or close to that, as an ambassador, and then started looking for full-time opportunities as well. That's when I got to interview as well with Consensus, and the team was, a lot of people really already knew me, so they really liked my work and all that I was doing at that time. So yeah, I went through the interviews for 2-3 months, and then they onboarded me full-time as a community manager.
Okay. So right now, what are the interesting projects that we are looking, because most of the people even doesn't know कि MetaMask की जो parent company वो Consensus है. Most of the people know about Google, पर बहुत जो डीप होते हैं जिनको नॉलेज होती है तो उनको पता ही नहीं गूगल के ऊपर उनकी अल्फ़ाबेट जो है पेरेंट कंपनी. सो मेटामास्क की जो पेरेंट कंपनी कंसेसिस है, तो क्या है हमारे को और एक्साइटिंग देखने को मिल सकता है, बिकॉज एवरीबडी यूज़ मेटामास्क. और जब से मोबाइल ऐप वर्जन आ गया था तो और ईज़ ऑफ एक्सेस हो गया था, नहीं तो फिर डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स के ऊपर जाना पड़ता था. तो कंसेसिस की तरफ से और कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग, बिकॉज यू आर वर्किंग विद देम, तो आपकी नज़रों में कुछ ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट है जो कम्युनिटी, मतलब जितने भी लोग हैं उनको ट्राई आउट करना चाहिए, कि बिकॉज you guys are solving one of the problems जो इंडस्ट्री के अंदर है.
बिल्कुल. So at Consensus we've been working on creating a whole developer ecosystem for the ecosystem out there, for the whole community out there. And there are a bunch of projects or bunch of products that we have introduced recently. One of them, I'm not sure if you've heard of it, but MetaMask Snaps. So Snaps is a way to extend the functionality of MetaMask by adding chain support, feature support, API support. So for example, MetaMask has been only supportive of EVM compatible chains. With Snaps you can extend the functionality of MetaMask to alternate chains as well. So
मैं Solana अब MetaMask पे एक्सेस कर सकता हूँ.
So if you create a Solana Snap, अगर तुम Solana Snap बनाते हो या Bitcoin Snap बनाते हो या Filecoin Snap बनाते हो, you can access all those ecosystems as well. But you need to, so the power is in the hands of community now to build. and they can build any sorts of snaps to kind of add an API support, a feature support, whatever they would like to bring from their products as well or their own ecosystem as well.
दैट्स रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. सो क्या ये चीज़ जो स्नैप्स है, सो क्या वो एक डिफरेंट एक्सटेंशन होगा या वो मेटामास्क के अंदर ही इनेबल हो सकता है?
So this is the whole Snaps ecosystem works under Flask, which is more of an environment of MetaMask, a separate isolated environment for developers. So it is a different extension that you need to install. It's called MetaMask Flask. इसका लोगो पर्पल है. द लोगो इज पर्पल एज कम्पेयर टू द ऑरेंज ओरिजिनल लोगो.
इंस्टीट्यूशनल वाला जैसा ट्विटर का काइंड ऑफ ना?
दैट इज ब्लू. दैट इज ब्लू. सो दैट इज द इंस्टीट्यूशनल. दैट इज डिफरेंट. For Flask, it's the purple logo, and you can install a different extension for that. You can build your own snaps. You can test in that whole isolated environment as well.
सो लाइक मतलब काफ़ी क्रेजी था कि क्योंकि हम लोग सोचते थे यार कि हमारे को EVM कंपैटिबल चेन के लिए तो हमारे पास जैसे मेटामास्क वॉलेट है और भी डिफरेंट वॉलेट है, पर फिर जितनी भी अलग ब्लॉकचेन्स आ रही है, जैसे न्यू ब्लॉकचेन्स आ रही है, एप्टोज हो गई, सूई हो गई, और अभी सी भी आने वाले हैं. सो उनके लिए हमारे को डिफरेंट वॉलेट्स, और इट्स अ वेरी हैसल थिंग टू डू. जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग प्लेयर्स हैं हमारी तरह, आपकी तरह जो हैं, और न्यू मेंबर्स के लिए तो कितना ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होगा. सो इट्स रियली ग्रेट फीलिंग कि ये इस चीज़ के ऊपर काम हो रहा है. कुछ और कहना चाहिए?
बिल्कुल. सो द थिंग इज़ वी नीड टू मेक MetaMask the most extensible and the most decentralized wallet. And to make it more decentralized, it's not just that we need to add support by ourselves. We need to put the power to build on top of it into the hands of community itself. So जितने भी developers हैं all over the world, now they have the ability to build whatever they want to build for whatever chain or whatever feature they would like, they can bring to the MetaMask. And apart from that, we also introduced Linea recently, which is consensus layer 2 solution. And it's like we're currently seeing 15 times less fee as compared to mainnet. We're seeing already hundreds of projects getting deployed.
और आपने अपनी PPT में दिखाया भी कि 20,000 प्लस इथेरियम उसके ऊपर ऑलरेडी ब्रिज हो चुके हैं.
20,000 Ethereum has 20,000 ETH has been bridged on Linea as well. So yeah, we're seeing some solid response from the community. Yeah.
सो आई थिंक दैट वाज प्रीटी मच इट. लोगों को अब अगर हम एक इसका छोटा सा कंक्लूजन दे तो सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग जो आपकी नज़रों में है, एक तो वो ब्लॉकचेन हो गई लीनिया लेयर 2 सॉल्यूशन, जिसके ऊपर आप मतलब वो ऑलरेडी लाइव है उसका मतलब, तो उसके ऊपर टेस्ट.
Linea mainnet went live in the past few weeks itself, right before the Paris events, right before the ECC week. And then MetaMask Snaps as well is going live later this year. But people can build already. People can create snaps, whatever they would like. But officially it's going live in September this year. So yeah, look out for the announcement as well.
So मतलब ये दो इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट्स, मतलब आई वुड से प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज हैं जिसके ऊपर आपका सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है कि हाँ उसके ऊपर काफ़ी काम चल. सो आई थिंक हम इस सेशन को रैप अप करते हैं, और हमारे को काफ़ी क्रेजी इन्फॉर्मेशन जानने के लिए मिली, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल नो अबाउट लीनिया बट नॉट अबाउट द स्नैप्स. तो एटलीस्ट वो उनके होगा. आई थिंक इसके साथ हम करते हैं सेशन क्लोज. और कोई आप एंडिंग पॉइंट?
That's it. I would say keep building and keep the ecosystem flourishing. We really need a lot more developers, especially a lot more users. So we get more users when we create more products that have utility. And we create more products that have utility when a lot of people are building all over the world. So yeah, that's what I would like to say in terms of empowering the people. Have a sense of community, be a part of all the events that. So we are going to be there at most of the ETH Global Hackathons. We just did our Hyperlink event as well in Paris, like 3 weeks back if I'm not wrong. But yeah, watch out, and you watch out for our events, and then you can visit community.consensus.io to check what events we are going to be at next, and to be in loop with our community calls.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन. इसी के साथ हम ये सेशन रैप अप करते हैं. पावर्ड बाय देसी क्रिप्टो.